Okay, so welcome to all of you. Today we'll revise the second chapter, that is integral. So in that you know that there is a line integral. So this is what f bar dot dr bar ds. Okay, so this is integral over c f bar dot dr bar ds. So actually this is f bar dot dr bar. Okay, so actually the r bar is what? Actually r bar is what? X I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar. Okay, so dr bar is what? Dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Okay, now if your f bar is f1 I bar plus f2 j bar f3 k bar, then f bar dot dr bar is what? F1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Okay, so you have to evaluate this integral. Okay, so that means what? We have to convert this in a single variable. You have to use the parametric equation. Suppose either use the parametric equation in terms of t, you have to express x y z in terms of t, that is the parametric equation. Then you can express dx dy dz in terms of dt, or you may write, suppose this is what, suppose you have the relation x is equal to y is equal to z, then your what, dx dy dz are all are same here, dx dy dz. You can replace y and z as x now, and you can convert into one variable. So you have to convert this into one variable. This is our aim, to evaluate the line integral. So that means you have to convert this f bar dot dr bar or this term in a single variable. Okay, so work done is what? Actually, what is this here? Here, one more thing is that you should know that the line integral is the tangential. Okay, so we'll also write a note here. The line integral of f bar is a tangential component of f bar. Okay, so line integral f bar is a tangential component of f bar. So note that this also. So now next part is what? Work done. So just we are revising the formula first, and then we will see how to solve the simple problems on it now. Okay, so work done is this: f bar dot dr bar ds is equal to this. Okay, so again you have to evaluate the line integral. Okay, if f bar is a conservative field, if f bar is a conservative field, then the line integral is independent on the path joining a and b. Okay, so actually the c is what here? The curve from a to b. Okay, the f bar is conservative if there exists a scalar function phi such that f bar is equal to grad phi. Okay, and this phi is called the scalar potential function. Okay, so you can also this what, suppose this is line integral a to b, work done. Suppose this is what f bar dr bar. Okay, f bar dr bar. So if it is a conservative vector space, then this is what, from a to b. So that means this is what, nebula phi dot dr bar. Okay, and this is nothing but what? Phi of b minus phi of a. So this is your work done. Okay, so that means if you know the scalar potential function, so phi b minus phi a is the work done from a to b. Okay, so you should note this also. Now the field is conservative, you can only the curl f bar is a 0 bar. Curl f bar is a curl of a vector is you know that the curl of the vector is a vector. This is also this one. This is denoted by del cross f bar and del cross f bar. Okay, no, not nebula cross f bar. Okay, so it is also called irrotational vector field. So conservative field, if and only it is irrotational. If and only the curl of f bar is 0 bar. Okay, so all the they have the same meaning. Okay, field is conservative, curl of f bar is 0 bar, irrotational, and what, the line integral is independent on the path joining a and b. Okay, so that is also the this is the related with the curl of the vector. Okay. Okay, now the Green's theorem for tangential form and for normal form. This is the tangential form, f bar dot t. So m dx plus n dy is equal to dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. This is in the tangential form. So if it is not given, so if you want to identify the formula, so just remember this. This is what m dx plus n dy is equal to this. So this is also Green's theorem. So m dy minus n dx is there. Then dou m by dou x. So dou m by dou x plus dou n by. So minus is there, plus is there. Okay. So n dou n by dou y. So take the care of this one. So these are both the Green's theorem. Okay. So value will be the same now. Okay. Now we'll see how to solve the problems by line integral and so on. Okay. We'll do the simple problems on this. So one thing is note that line integral C f bar dot dr bar is equal to 3, suppose is equal to 3. Okay. Then line integral over minus C, line integral over minus C f bar dot dr bar will be what? Minus 3 will be the minus 3. That means what? Line integral A to B f bar dot dr bar is equal to minus B to A f bar dot dr bar. Okay. Okay. So also if the line integral from C1 f bar dot dr bar plus line integral C2 f bar dot dr bar is equal to line integral over C1 plus C2 f bar dot dr bar. That means what? Suppose the line integral over C1 f bar dot dr bar is 3. Line integral over C2 f bar dot dr bar is suppose 7. Then line integral over C1 plus C2 f bar dot dr bar is what? 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Or line integral over C1 minus C2 f bar dot dr bar is, line integral over C1 is 3. Line integral over C2 is 7. So 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Okay. So remember this. Remember this. Okay. So the line integral of f bar is equal to x square I bar minus x square y square j bar along the straight line from 0 0 to 1 0 each. Okay. So this you want. Okay. So what is your f bar? Okay. So what is your f bar dot dr bar? F bar dot dr bar is what? X square dx minus x square y square dy. Okay. This is your f bar dot dr bar. You have to do all these things original. Okay. Now the line is from what? A 0 0 to 1 0. 0 0 to 1 0. That means here what? Your y is 0. This point is what? Your y is 0. Because 0 0. Y coordinate is 0. And x runs from 0 to 1 now. That means what does this imply? Your dy is equal to 0. Your dy is equal to 0. So that means what here? Line integral over f bar dr bar is equal to the limit of x is what? 0 to 1. You have to put dy is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So this is what then simply x square dx, right? So this is what? X cube by 3, 0 to 1. So this will be 1 by 3, right? So this is a very simple answer. Okay. So orally you can do this one. Okay. Orally you can do this. This is what dx dy. Just assume this is dx dy only. Just replace I bar as dx and y bar j bar as dy and k bar as dz only. Okay. So now your line is what? 0 0 1. That means your y is 0. So this part will be 0. Your dy is 0. That means all the part is 0. Only I have to write x here. 0 to 1. Integration of x square from 0 to 1. That is x cube by 3. 0 to 1. So that is what? 1 by 3. So if it is 0 to 2, suppose this is 2, then this is what? 0 to 2 then. 0 to 2. So this is what then? 8 by 3. This will be 8 by 3. Orally you can do this one. Okay. So we do the next problem. Okay. We have to solve the simple problems on it. Okay. The value of integral f bar dot dr bar along x is equal to t square or x is equal to t, y is equal to t from 0 to 2. That means the range of t is what? 0 to 2, where f bar is equal to x cube I bar plus y cube j bar plus y cube j bar. Okay. So what is f bar dot dr bar? Just we'll directly do this. F bar dot dr bar is what? X cube dx plus y cube dy. Okay. Now your x is t, y is t. That means your dx is same as dy is same as. So that means what here? Dx is same as dt, dy is same as dt. Right. So we can write this. X is same as t. So this is t cube. Your dx is dt. Your this is also t cube dy. Dt. Your dy is dt. Okay. So now you have to. This is what integral over c f bar dot dr bar is that one range of t is what 0 to 2, and this is what 2t cube dt. Okay. So what is this then? Integration is what 2t raised to 4 upon 4. So 0 to 2, 0 to 2. So this is what 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 upon 2. So this 2 get cancelled. So 2 raised to 4 upon 2 is 2 cube. So this will be the 8. See your option 8 now here. Okay. So I hope that this is very easy now. Okay. Next. The value of integral over c, whatever this, x square y I bar plus x to the power 5 j bar dot dr bar along the path x is equal to 3, y varies from 0 to 5. Y varies from 0 to 5. Okay. So what is your f bar dot dr bar? First we will find f bar dot dr bar is what? X square y dx plus x to the power 5 dy plus x to the power 5 dy. Okay. So your x is 3. Implies that your dx is 0. Implies that dx is 0. Okay. So that means what here? So integral over f bar dot dr bar. So your y remains only. The range of y is what? 0 to 5 is given to you. This is 0 to 5. Okay. Now x is 3. Your dy will be as it is. Okay. So x is 3. So this is what? 3 to the power 5 dy only. Okay. So that means what here? 3 to the power 5 y 0 to 5. So this is what? 3 to the power 5 into 5. Just we have to calculate the value of 3 to the power 5. Actually 3 to the power 5 is very complicated. So what we will do here, we'll take x to the x as 2 now. Then the problem will be simple then. Okay. So this will be 2. Then this is what? 2 to the power 5. Suppose this is 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is what? 32. And 32 into, easily you can find it 32 into 5 then. Okay. So this is what? 10, 15 means 16. So 116. Okay. Easily you can find the value of this one. Okay. Next, integration from 3x plus 4 dx plus 5 plus 7y plus twice x dy along OA with O00 A20. Okay, so the integral is in the form dx0. Okay, so 0, 0, 2. That means what here? Y is equal to 0. Your y is 0. Okay, so y integral is the limits of this is what? 0 to 2 then. Okay, 0 to 2. Okay, so we have to solve all the problems orally now. Okay, just we are revising this. We have to face the competitive exam or we have to face the online exam. Okay, it is the forthcoming in the next month. Okay, so 0 to 2. Okay, so your dy is 0. So this part will be 0 then. This part will be 0. Okay, so that means what this is 3x plus 4 dx only. Okay, so we'll integrate this. This is what 3x square by 2 plus 4x. This is what 0 to 2. Okay, so 2 square 2 get cancelled. This is 6 plus 8. This is what 14. So your answer is what 14. See, this is 2 square. This is 4 upon 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. See, this you can do orally now. Such problems you can do orally. Okay, so you have integral f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is equal to z square k bar along x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube, from 0 to 2. Okay, so what is f bar dot dr bar? F bar dot dr bar is what? Z square dz only. Z square dz. So if this is what, suppose x square k bar, no problem for this is what x square dz only then. X square dz then. Okay, and you can put the value of x is what? T square. Okay, so here there is a z square. Okay, so we write z square dz here. So z square. Okay, so what is your dz then? Dz is what? 3t square dt then. Okay, so z square is what then? T raised to 6. Z square is t raised to 6. And dz is what? 3t square dt. So that is what? 3t raised to 8 dt. 8 dt. Okay, so again the problem becomes so complicated. So we'll take 1 now here. Okay, t from 0 to 1 we'll take. Okay. So this is what integral over f bar dot dr bar is equal to limits of t is what 0 to 1. So this is what 3t square dt. So 3 raised to 8. Okay. So this is what 3 t raised to 9 upon 9 0 to 1. So this is what 1 by 3. So your answer is 1 by 3. Okay. So simple answer. Okay. So if it is the 2, then you have to put this is what 2 to the power 9 by 3 then. Okay, so evaluate this f bar dot dr bar. So f bar is equal to xj bar. Along the curve x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube, t from 0 to t is equal to 2 suppose. Okay, please suppose. Okay, so what is f bar dot dr bar? F bar dot dr bar is what? X dy. So what is dy? Dy is what? 2t dt. Your dy is what? 2t dt. Okay. So x is what? X is t. Okay. Dy is what? 2t dt. So this is what? 2t square dt. Okay. So integral over f bar dot dr bar is what? What is the limit of t? Is 0 to 2. Okay. So 0 to 2, 2t square dt. So this is what? 2t cube by 3. Okay. 0 to 2. So this is what? 2 raised to 3, 8. So this is 16 by 3. This is what? 16 by 3. So if this is maybe y, this is maybe z, doesn't matter this. This will be what then? Z dz, z dy. So what is your z? Z is t cube. Okay. So you can put the value of this. So such type of the simple problems you have to solve on the line integral. Okay. We don't have to solve the complicated example on it. Okay. Okay. So evaluate this f bar dot dr bar. So f bar is equal to I bar plus j bar. So your x is equal to 2 sin t, y is equal to 2 cos t, t from 0 to t from pi, 0 to pi. Okay. Okay. So your dx is equal to what here? 2 cos t dt. Okay, your dy is what? Minus 2 sin t dt. Okay, so what is f bar dot dr bar? F bar dot dr bar is what? F bar dot dr bar is what? Dx plus dy. Simply dx plus dy. Okay, so dx plus dy. So this is what? 2 cos t dt. Actually this is dt minus 2 sin t dt, 2 sin t dt. And what you have to integrate this with respect to t, and that is from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so you have to integrate this now. Okay, so integration 0 to pi. Okay, so we'll integrate this. So this is what 2 sin t plus 2 cos t, 0 to pi. Okay, sin pi, cos pi, sin pi is 0, so cos pi is -1, so this is -2, minus your cos 0 is 0, so this is 2, so your answer is what? -4 then, -4. Okay, so very simple here. So if this is not 2, only sin t cos t, then this is what? Sin t plus cos t, whatever this. Okay, so suppose this is sin square cos square, something like this, you have to do this one. Okay, you have to differentiate this and you have to integrate this. Okay, whatever this may be. So this is the parametric equation. That means x in terms of t is already given, y is, in terms of t is already given. Then the problems is very easy then. Okay, suppose you have to integrate this like this: sin y dx plus e raised to x cos cube y dy. Suppose you have to evaluate this. Okay, so along the segment AB, okay, where A is 0 to pi by 7, to B to pi by 7. Okay, now see here, 0 to pi by 7, pi by 7s are constant. Pi by 7 to pi by 7 is constant. That means your y is what? Pi by 7. That means your dy is 0. So this part is 0. Okay, so now here what then? So your integral is what? Sin y. Sin y means what? Sin pi by 2. Sin y means sin pi by 2. Dx, what is your? It is dx. Okay, so range of x, this is this. Okay, so this is 2 sin pi by 7. Okay, so you can find the value of pi by 7. So if you take this is pi by 3, suppose if you take this is pi by 3, again the dy will be 0 then. Okay, you can find then sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 means to sin 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2. So this answer will be what? Root 3 then. Okay, so 0 suppose evaluate this. Integration from a raised to x dx plus 3 raised to y dy, a 0 to 1 and b 0 to 2, suppose. Okay, again here what? A from 0 1 to this, that means your what? X is 0. X is what? 0. That means dx is equal to 0. Your x is 0, that means this. Okay, so dx is 0 and x is 0, that means this integral is what? Range of y is 1 to 2, so 3y dy, right? So this is what? Integration of 3y is what? 3 raised to y log 3. Okay, so this is 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. Okay, so this is what then? 3 raised to y, so that means 3 raised to 2, that is 9 log 3 minus 9 log 3. Oh, this is upon, you are integrating this, not this is upon log 3. Okay, so this is what? 9 upon log 3 minus 3 upon log 3. So this is what then? 6 upon log 3. Okay, this will be your answer. So integral over f bar dot dr bar, your f bar is k bar, f bar is k bar, f bar is I bar, suppose f bar is I bar. Along the curve y is equal to x square from 0 0 to 2 0, from 0 0 to 0. Okay, so what is your f bar dot dr bar? First we will find f bar dot dr bar is what? Dx is dx. Okay, so we'll take this is j bar. Okay, we'll take j bar this. So this is what then? Dy only. This is dy. Okay, so no problem for this one also. But along the curve is given to this, we have to use this curve. So this is what then? Dy is equal to twice x dx. So your dy is what then? Twice x dx. So now you have to integrate this. This is what then? Integration is what? X square. Integration x square. And range is what? 0 to 2. Okay, this is what? 2 2. Okay, 0 0 to 2 2. 0 0 to 2 2. Okay, because 0 2 is not satisfy the equation now. See, this point should satisfy the equation of the curve also. Okay, so if you take 0 2, then it will not satisfy the equation of the this is the parabola. Okay, so this is 0 to 2 then. Okay, so this is 4. Your required answer is 4. Okay, so if it is x cube, then you can write this is what? 3x square. So this will what then? 3x square. So this is 3x square. That means this is the x cube. So this will be the 8 now. The answer will be what? 8 now. Okay, so evaluate the integral f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is equal to 2 I bar plus 7j bar, suppose plus 7j bar. Along the curve y is equal to 3x from 0 0 to 3 3, from 0 0 to 3 3. Okay, so what is f bar dot dr bar? Just we find f bar dot dr bar is what? 2 dx plus 7 dy. 2 dx plus 7 dy. Plus 7 dy. Okay, so now this is your what? Dy is equal to 3 dx. Dy is equal to 3 dx. Okay, so this is what? 2 dx plus 7 dy. So that is what? 21 dx. 21 dx. Okay, that is what then? 23 dx. That is 23x. So range is what? 0 to 3. That is what? 22 into 3. That is what? 9 and 6. This is 69. The answer is what? 69. This is very easy now. Suppose f bar is equal to x I bar plus twice yj bar plus 3z square k bar. The curve is what? X is equal to t, y is equal to t, z is equal to t, 0 to 5. Then f bar dot dr bar is equal to what? This is your question. Okay, so what is f bar dot dr bar? Just we will find f bar dot dr bar. We will convert f bar dot dr bar in terms of a single variable. Okay, so this is what? X dx plus twice y dy plus 3z square dz. Okay, write I bar, j bar, k bar as the dx, dy, dz. Okay, so this will be your f bar dot dr bar. Okay, now you have given this. So what is this? Dx is equal to dt, dy is equal to dt, dz is equal to dt. Okay, so what is here then? This is what? T dt plus twice y dt. Your twice y means y is also t. Okay, twice t dt plus 3 t square dt. Okay, now we have to integrate this. Okay, so this is what? T plus 2, this is 3t. So this is what? 3t square by 2 plus 3 t cube by 3, and this is what? 0 to 5. So this is what? 25 75 by 2, 75 by 2, plus 3 get cancelled, so 5 to the power 3 is 125. Okay, so this is what 250, 250 plus 75, so this is what 12, 325, 325 by 2. This will be your answer. Okay, so orally you can do this one. Actually, this is I have taken this complicated problem for you, but in exam this may be simple problems. There may be the simple problems, but actually this is also not a complicated, because what? So you have the you know how to calculate that ones. Okay, so this calculation is not difficult. So answer is given in the option also. Okay, so evaluate f bar dot dr bar. Your f bar is what? Some twice j bar minus 3 k bar, minus 3 k bar. Along the curve x is equal to y is equal to z from 0 0 0 to 4 4 4. The curve is x. Okay, so what is your f bar dot dr bar? F bar dot dr bar is equal to twice dy minus 3 dz. But here what here? Dx is equal to y, so that means what? Dx is equal to dy is equal to dz. Okay, so that means what here? You may take any value of y. Okay, so I can write dz as a dy. So this is what? Minus dy then. Okay, so this is what? Minus y. Here this is what? 0 to 4. So your required answer is what? Just minus 4. Okay, orally you can do this one. Okay. Then evaluate the integration of cos y dx plus sin y dy along AB. Along AB, A is pi 0 and your B is pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay. Now see here, A is pi 0 and pi by 2. That means your x is same now here. X is same. If y is same, then write this. What x is same is what? X is equal to pi. Means your dx is equal to 0. Means your dx is equal to 0. Okay. So now dx is equal to 0. That means this is equal to 0. Then we have to integrate only the sin y dy, and your y is what? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. What is the this? This is what? Minus cos y 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So the cos 0 is 1. So this will be the 1. Answer is 1. Okay. Note that 1 minus 1 also is there. Okay. You have to take the care of this one. If you are putting the lower limit, actually this is what? Minus cos pi by 2. Minus cos 0. So this is 0. Minus this is minus. Okay, this is minus 1, so minus minus plus. Okay, so the answer is 1 now here. You have to take the care of this one also. So if f bar is equal to grad of x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, then the work done from 0 0 to 1 2 3 will be what then? Will be what? This is your phi now. Okay, so work done will be what? Phi of 1 2 3 minus phi of 0 0 0. Okay, so 1 2 3 means what? This is 6. Answer is what? 6. This is the work done. Okay, so f bar is same as gradient of phi. That means the scalar potential function is provided to you. Actually, we have to revise the gradient of the function, but same time at a time we will take gradient. We will see the relation between the gradient of phi. Okay, so if you want to find the gradient of the phi, suppose phi is what? A scalar function, x square y plus x cube z. Suppose this. Okay, so actually grad phi means this is lambda phi. This is denoted by grad phi, and this is nothing but what? Dou phi by dou x. Dou phi by dou x I bar plus dou phi by dou z dou y j bar plus dou phi by dou z k1. Okay, this is the definition of the gradient of the function. Okay, so gradient of the function means what? You have to differentiate this with respect to x, that will be your first component. Differentiate this with respect to y, that will be your second component. Differentiate with respect to z, that will be your third component. So your first component you have to differentiate with respect to x. So this is what? Twice x y plus 3x square z I bar. This is the first component. For second component you have to differentiate with respect to y. So this is what? X square j bar. Then you have to differentiate with respect to z plus x cube k bar. This is your gradient. Okay, so if this is what? L square phi is equal to 0, then this is called a Laplacian equation, and it is also called a harmonic function. So that means what here? Dou 2 phi by dou x square plus dou 2 phi by dou y square okay, plus dou 2 phi by dou z square. Okay, so this is called a Laplacian equation. So suppose your phi of x y z phi of x y z is suppose x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so then what is the grad? Grad phi. Okay, so your grad phi what? Twice x I bar. Easily you can do twice x I plus twice y j bar plus twice z k bar. Okay, so this is the grad phi. Easily you can obtain the value of this one. Okay, so I hope that you can do any problems on the gradient of the if the problem is asked for the gradient, just you have to differentiate partially with respect to x, partially with respect to y, and partially with respect to z to find all the three components. The first component, that means the coefficient of I bar is what? You have to differentiate with respect to x. Then you have to differentiate with respect to y and differentiate with z. Okay. So I hope that we have completed. We have revised this. Okay. So whatever the remains, that you have to do only the formulas for this one. Okay. So be clear about the formula for this one. Okay, and the straightforward definition also. Read all the points of the books carefully. Okay. I hope that you understand the today's lecture. So we stop here. Thank you.